Hello guys. Now in this video tutorial, we'll be making a review about this particular platform called JollyCash, how it works, what to expect, is it legit, and what you tend to get if you choose to dive into this platform. So we'll be making a detailed review and what they actually say this platform is made of. Okay, so but before we proceed with this video to explain and give you detailed review about this particular platform as it claims to pay its users by performing social tags. If you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online to earn for ourselves. Okay, so if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch. And at the end of this video, if you're not in any of my Telegram channel or WhatsApp group, you can see the link on the pinned comment section to join this family. Okay, so with that being said, let's dive into this particular video. Now, this is what this particular platform is all about. They claim to pay users for performing social media tags. Now, to set up an account for yourself is very simple. Some of you might have difficulty in downloading the app. All you just need to do is to click the link on the pinned comment section, and it's going to direct you to where you can actually download the app. Now, if you're having issues trying to download the app, try to use different device to download the app, because most times you have to download the APK file before you can be directed to install this app on your device. So that is that in getting the app registered. Now, after you've downloaded the app, follow the process and you will be putting an invitation code for you to get a welcome bonus of about 5,000 plus. Okay, so once you use the code, you'll be given that amount of coin. But if you ignore that, you would not be given that coin. Okay, so once you insert that code, you'll be giving about 5,000 coin on your account. That is about 0.60 dollar. So if you ignore putting that code, you might not get that reward. Okay, so right here I'll be making a detailed review of my own experience and how I was able to navigate on this platform. And note, let me lay a clear disclaimer of this video that this is not a get rich quick scheme, and this is not a guaranteed result, as results may vary depending on how you leverage this platform. Okay, so what I'm explaining to you is my own experience and how I was able to navigate this platform to get rewards for myself. Now, once you set up an account for yourself, you are going to be seeing this home button right here, and you just need to come right here and click on check in. So once you check in, you will be given an additional coin. As you can see right now, that my coin has actually increased from 6,000 to 6,050 coin. So what you do right here is to always come right here, and you can see that you can take surveys also on this platform. You can complete some offers and also download apps, and this particular platform claims to pay its users according to the tax you've performed, and the tax you're performing right here are simple tax which is recommended. Okay, so you can see that you can actually start getting the coins according to the tax you are getting. Now, for instance, if you come over to tax right here, most of you might not get this tax offer right here. The reason why you're getting it might be because of the app or some other things. Now, the experience I've gotten on this platform is that once you find it difficult to get tax on your account, all you just need to do is to download a particular VPN. Anyone can actually work with it. So once you've downloaded that VPN, log out of your account and log in while the VPN is connected. So you are going to be finding the tax on this platform. Okay, so when you go over the invitation menu, you are going to be seeing that once you are able to refer individuals to this platform, you will be given 1,000 coin and enjoy 15 discounts of their earnings. Okay, so that is how this platform works. All you just need to do is to start up with the referral program and also start doing your tax. Now, when you come right here, you're going to be seeing the progress of your earning. Okay, so this is my referral code. Once you go ahead to use this referral code, you will be getting some bonus for yourself, which is around 5,000 coin. Okay, so when you go over to your account, you can actually see the withdraw button right here. So if you want to go ahead to withdraw your earnings, just come over to withdraw button right here. You're going to be seeing that these are the withdraw options right here. So once you have about 50,000 coin, that is equivalent to $5, and once you have about 10,000 100,000 coin, that is about 10,000. That is about $10 on your account. Now, these are the method of withdrawals. You can withdraw using your USDT, and you can see the networks that are available. Put in the address and you're going to place in your withdrawal. Now, note, Funds may take 3 to 5 days business days to arrive. Please verify your address before you start up with your withdrawals. So when you come over to your account, you can also come over to put this on reminder. Okay, so come right here and put this daily check-in on reminder, so you will always get notified to come in to check in every single day. So every day you check in, you are going to be getting 50 additional coin on your account. Let's say you want to take this particular survey right here. You can click on this, and once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this interface. You can actually go over to continue with this process depending on how you want to leverage this platform. Many other people are using VPN on this platform, and they are actually getting some values while taking surveys. So most times, if you go to take this particular survey as a Nigerian, you might be declined offer and you might not get the bonus for this. So let's try and see how it works. Once you come right here and click you are in Nigeria and click on submit, there are some processes you'll be following to take this surveys, but at the end of it, you might not get qualified. That is why it's advisable you go ahead to use a VPN if you can go with that. Okay, so right here, let's just come right here and pick any of these. So we are going to be seeing if it's gonna work, and you can see that I'm actually trying to make sure I show you every details you need right here to get started. Now if you come right here, you are going to be seeing that the postal code we inserted are actually Nigeria, so you can come right here and see and try if it's gonna work for you. So if this actually works for you, you can come back right here on this platform and give us a feedback. So you are going to be following the process to take this survey, but most times what we get right here is that we don't get qualified for service. So you can see right here that we are not qualified for service. So that is what I'm actually explaining. So what you can actually do is to try using a VPN for the service and see if you will be qualified. Okay, so try to use VPN if you're not qualified, and you will be getting some advantage while using VPN. Now when you come right here, you can see that they have surveys. So the only thing you can do right now is to go over to options like this that are to download and install. So once you install this, you'll be getting 1,000 coin on your account. So the other way you can actually maximize this particular platform is by coming over to your to this tax. You can see app tax. So once you come under app tax, you can see most times you will see lots of downloads right here, like giving you tax for you to download the app. So most times you can see them right here. So if you come over to my tax, you can also see some tax that you can go on to complete. Okay, so these are the 3 option tax you can find on this platform, but majorly when you come over to surveys, that is where you get most of the tax, and the only way you can bypass majority of this tax is by using a VPN to do this surveys, so you can be qualified for that. Now when you also come over to invitation, that is another way you can use to maximize your earnings on this platform. Okay, so you can go ahead to refer individuals. That is also a way you can use to increase the coin you have on your account. So that is the review I have about this platform, and that is the experience I have seen so far on this particular platform. All you just need to do is to set up an account for yourself, invite your friends, do the daily tasks, and also check in, also attend to anything you know that can actually increase your coin on this platform. So this is the review. You can also do your own due diligence to understand how platforms like this works, as this is not a guaranteed way of making money online. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got value from this video and know how to leverage this platform if you choose to go into it. So this is my own experience, and this is the value I tend to understand you can get from this platform. So you can also do your own diligence to understand how this platform works. Now just go down on the comment section of this particular video to tell me if you'll be willing to go ahead to try this platform. Okay, however, do well to join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I also run some giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do well to like and subscribe. See you on my next video, and keep winning.